So after that, you just want to get the baby powder off of there. I put it on the paper. And we might need some more, so I'm going to go to the store. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm back. So, you're gonna need, I'm gonna put some of this right there. On my other channel, I'll teach you how to make edible lip balm. It's very easy. And that's when just gonna roll it. So, like I say, guys, it's made out of gum, so you can eat it. So I'm gonna keep just stretching it, and it's officially gonna come to slide. And we're back. So you see how it got stretchy? I can't say it right. And it goes very, very far. It's like really slimy and sticky right now.